Why does Britain need to adapt its warfare strategy now in 2026? Because the nature of conflict is evolving faster than ever, and staying the same could mean falling behind in global security. In 2026, Britain's strategic landscape is more complex. Traditional armies no longer dominate the battlefield. Instead, cyber warfare, misinformation campaigns, and hybrid tactics blur lines between war and peace. This means Britain must anticipate threats not just from other nations, but from non-state actors and technological disruption. Ignoring this shift risks national security and global influence. Technologies like artificial intelligence, autonomous drones, and quantum computing are transforming warfare. Britain needs strategies that integrate these tools to detect threats faster and respond with precision. Traditional large-scale forces are less effective without tech integration. The military must train personnel to leverage these innovations or risk being outmatched by adversaries who do. Britain's strategic partnerships are crucial in 2026. The global balance of power is shifting with emerging players and regional conflicts. Adapting warfare means aligning with allies, sharing intelligence, and contributing capabilities in new ways. Britain's ability to influence global security depends on flexible, modern strategies that support both collective defense and rapid response. Adapting warfare strategy isn't just about external threats. Britain faces internal challenges like defense budgets and public scrutiny over military spending. These factors shape how and when new technologies or tactics are adopted. Balancing cost-effectiveness with cutting-edge capability is essential to maintain readiness without losing public support. Britain's need to adapt its warfare strategy in 2026 reflects a rapidly changing world where old methods no longer suffice. Embracing technology, addressing new threats, and strengthening alliances will define its future security. Stay curious and hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.